Yeah, with calm conditions, clear skies, we're definitely going to be colder going into tomorrow morning than we were this morning. We were basically in the 40s because we had that front coming through and a lot of wind at the same time. So we're back in the 20s, even low 20s in some of the colder locations. Well, typical of temperatures you would expect here for early part of November, so definitely bundle up. Light winds too. Now we'll have sunshine at least for the first half of Thursday, but we'll have cloud cover off and on in the afternoon. It will increase, but it'll be mid-high level cloud cover, so still plenty of time to get the sun out there. And the winds, as you see the arrows coming from the south, that'll be a key too as we have a system approaching. Overall still in the 50s, pretty similar to what we had temperature-wise today, just a different wind direction and a little bit more cloud cover. Friday behind the front, that passes through. There's going to be another cold front to the north that's going to kind of sag southward throughout the day. So sunshine starting off, more increasing clouds in the afternoon. Ahead of that, you probably could get up to the low 60s further south. As you're further north, struggling probably to get to 50 because the cloud cover comes in quicker too. So that's just the start of the temperatures. As we go throughout the wind too, it's going to be another issue for tomorrow ahead of it. But as I mentioned, it's out of the south. So by noon, we'll probably see gusts above 20 in some of the higher locations in northeast Iowa, southeast Minnesota. These gusty winds throughout the afternoon may get above 30 out of the south all the way through the evening commute. As you see some of these peaking into 30 to 35. It is a little bit less windy as you go north of I-94. Obviously, the more favorable areas in northeast Iowa where we have the stronger gust. Now, those winds are ahead of a warm front lifted north. Cold front comes through behind. Now, with that warm front for the evening commute looks dry. There's a small opportunity for a little bit of light showers. You can see that just beginning to develop here around 8 to 8:30. That comes through just a weak little line of showers. Heavier showers you can see with this 3D type look. Those are further south and to the east. That's what we're going to be looking for. So an opportunity to get wet maybe for Thursday evening, but the chances are still fairly low, and amounts, if that does happen, will be very light too. Now going into Friday, we'll start off with sun, as I mentioned, more clouds. Now Saturday it gets more interesting with precipitation temperatures. Further south you go, a little bit of sun to start off with. You might get into the low 40s as cloud cover quickly comes in. Further north, you're probably going to struggle to get to 40, and that rain snow chance starts increasing. But as I show you, it depends on where you're at, because as we go into Saturday, it really drops off chance-wise. Much higher toward Iowa, likely. As you get further north towards Eau Claire, it's unlikely. So it's going to be a narrow band of light rain, light snow that's going to swing through just southwest of the area, clipping maybe areas west of the river, and it'll end fairly quick Saturday night. Now, as snowfall goes with this, it's going to be kind of an issue here, question mark. 1 to 3 may touch our area as we get further to our area, maybe towards Prairie du Chien, up in those. We might get an inch potentially. So more to come on that. But the bigger story behind that is the cold temperatures that follow. Wind chills on Sunday and Monday could be in the 20s. Overnight lows definitely in the teens, maybe close to 10 depending on cloud cover for some areas. It doesn't last long as we get back to average on Veterans Day too. So get outside, enjoy it because it's definitely going to change come Sunday, and we'll kind of break down the precipitation as we get closer to that event too.
Okay, we sure will enjoy it. Thank you, Greg.